Extranuclear genomes are present in the cell organelles. They are following types. One is chloroplast DNA. It is also called cpDNA. Chloroplast DNA is also called cpDNA. In plants, cytoplasm containing green color parts, they called chloroplast. That chloroplast containing DNA, the DNA is called chloroplast DNA. This chloroplast DNA is also called extranuclear genome. Generally, the genomes are present in the nucleus of the cell, but including the nucleus of cell, the DNA present in cell organelles, mainly in chloroplast and in mitochondria. So these chloroplast DNA controls the chloroplast activities. The chloroplast activities controlled by the chloroplast DNA as well as nuclear DNA. The chloroplast DNA contains 120 to 155 kilo base pairs of nitrogen base pairs. 120 to 155 kilo base pairs are present on the chloroplast DNA. It is a circular DNA. Mainly on these chloroplast DNA, photosynthetic enzymes regions are present. The photosynthetic enzyme regions are present on these chloroplast DNA. That genes are controls the photosynthesis activities. In some plants, only one copy of chloroplast DNA is present. One copy of genes are present on the chloroplast DNA. In some plants, more number of copies of DNA is present on the chloroplast DNA. So these are mainly helps in the control of chloroplast activities. The next one is mitochondrial DNA. The mitochondrial DNA present in the mitochondria. Generally, the mitochondria are present in eukaryotic cells only. The mitochondria are present in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cells. They are, the mitochondria look like a rod shape like structure. In this mitochondrial matrix, circular DNAs are present. The circular DNAs are called extranuclear genome. The extranuclear genomes are present in the mitochondria called mtDNA. mtDNA. mtDNA means mitochondrial DNA. The mitochondrial DNA is the circular DNA and it is the naked DNA. It is in circular structure. It consists of complex 1, complex 4, complex 3, ATP synthase, transferase, RNA, ribosomal RNA, control region of DNA. These are mainly helps in the electron transport system and production of ATP by ATP synthase, and the mitochondrial DNA containing transfer RNA, the transfer RNA and ribosomal RNAs, including control DNAs, region DNAs, are helps in the synthesis of proteins by the transcription and translation mechanism. So the mitochondrial needed proteins synthesized by the cell-free. On these mitochondria, major portions of the genomes helps in the oxidation of food material. The genes are helps in the Krebs cycle, electron transport system, and oxidative phosphorylation. It is the mitochondrial DNA and chloroplast DNA. These two DNAs are called extranuclear genomes. These are present in only mitochondria and in the chloroplast.